Okay, so in this lesson, you're going to graph the inequality shown below on the number line. And so, for example, let's say we had something like this. We had x is greater than -2. All right, so you want to shade in on the number line. You want to shade in every number that's greater than -2. So you have this number line, and so let's say this is -2 right here. Now, since there's no equal sign, this is important to remember. Since there's no equal sign, you're going to use an open circle. No equal sign, an open circle. And you want to shade in every number, every real number that's to the right of this, just like this. And then you draw your arrow. Okay? So the graph of this inequality symbol is this. All right, so very simple process. Number two, let's suppose we had x is less than or equal to 3. So you want to shade in on the number line, you want to shade in every real number that's less than or equal to 3. The way you're going to do that is here's 3. And since there's an equal sign, that's important. Since there's an equal sign, the equal sign means you're going to include this 3. So that's going to be a closed circle. You have to make sure it looks closed. And then you're going to shade in every real number that's to the left, just like this. All right. Number 3, suppose you want to graph x is greater than or equal to 4. So x is greater than or equal to 4. So here's 4 in the number line. And since there's an equal sign, that means 4 is included. So you're going to use a closed circle. And make sure it looks closed. So this is hollow, closed, closed, open, closed, closed. And you're going to shade in every real number that's to the right, just like this. Okay? And let's suppose you wanted to graph, let's say x is less than, let's say 0. So you're going to put 0 in the number line. So remember, there's no equal sign. So in 0, you're going to use an open circle, just like this. And you want to shade in every real number that's less than that. So just like this. So the graph of x is less than 0 is this. So any number that's shaded is going to be less than 0. So for example, -5 is shaded, right? That's because -5 is less than 0. Over here, 7 is in here. 7 is shaded because 7 is greater than or equal to 4. All right. Over here, 0 is shaded because 0 is less than or equal to 3. Y'all agree? And over here, 7, 8, 8.6 is all shaded because all those numbers are greater than -2. All right. So I think that's the end of that objective. Let me just check real quickly. Now notice, before I end this, notice I've been using x's, right? Sometimes you'll see a different letter. You'll say y is less than -2, less than or equal to -2, let's say. It doesn't matter. It could be x or y. The graphs can be the same. So here's -2 right here. Notice there's an equal sign, so that means -2 is included. So you can use a closed circle. And you're going to shade in every real number that's to the left. Because any number that's to the left, any number that's shaded is going to be less than or equal to -2. So it doesn't always have to be the variable x. You could see different variables, just like number 5. All right, so that is the end of this lesson.